What if I told you about a 1099 contractor position that you could do right from the comfort of your home? Would you be interested? In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you about training that will help you set up your very own business in the booming tax preparation industry, even if you've had no previous experience. Before I became involved with this company, I was looking for a way to supplement my income. I answered ads on social media, but they usually ended up being phishing scams. I would answer a few questions through a messenger app, and then I was always instructed to go onto a completely different platform. Big red flag. I also called the companies that the ads claimed to be hiring for. None of the companies knew anything about the social media hiring ads. I didn't give up though. I knew that there was a company out there that was legitimately hiring workers, and I finally became involved with this company. The owner was educated, professional, and relatable. She took complicated principles and made them simple to understand. I couldn't wait to become part of her vision for her business. You have that opportunity now too. You have your own reasons for wanting to supplement your income. It could be the rising cost of utilities, the skyrocketing cost of rent and mortgage, or the increasing price of groceries. It could be that you want money for traveling or collecting things that interest you. The challenge, however, is to avoid information sharks who are only trying to obtain your personal information. These fake companies pretend to hire you, but all they really want to do is sell your data on the dark web. This goes on more than you realize. Think about what happens when you apply for one credit card. Within a week, you start getting credit card offers in the mail from companies that you never contacted. How do you suppose they obtained your address? However, there is hope. I work with an honest company that has its contractors' best interests at heart. It's A-1 Tax Services and Bookkeeping LLC. They will educate you about tax preparation in multiple ways, including role-playing. This is to prepare you to become an IRS-approved tax pro. There will be a $150 investment on your part to cover the training materials. However, you don't have to pay for it all at once. This company offers payment plans. You also have to remember that the cost of the training will be considered an expense when tax time comes around, so it will come back to you as a credit. Education can never be taken away from you. It's always worth the cost. So how would you get involved in the tax training? And how would you get your questions answered about being a contractor for A-1? The answer is simple. Call Jessica at 770-504-6978 and tell her you heard this ad. She'll answer your questions and tell you all about the training. It couldn't be easier. Get started today. Think about what your life is going to be like on January 2nd of next year. You're going to put on a bathrobe, pour a hot cup of coffee, and boot up your computer to see what tasks you have in store. You're going to see tax clients reaching out for your expertise, and you're going to be excited to help them with their tax returns because you'll have the knowledge and the confidence to assist them. You'll work for a couple of hours and then take a break for a high-protein snack. No hurry, no boss yelling at you to get back to work. Just a relaxed break before getting back into a welcome routine at your computer and doing research to verify your client's information. Every return is like planting a money seed into the ground, knowing that it's going to sprout up when their refund hits their bank account. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, actually, it's completely achievable. Just call Jessica at 770-504-6978. This could be the start of your very own business in the tax preparation industry, and I, for one, am totally excited for you. I don't know how many tax class students are being accepted, so don't delay in getting further information. Pick up that phone and call now.